Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Did you know beer is older than bread and has a goddess? Let's dive into the fascinating world of beer. What is beer and why is it important? Beer is one of the oldest and most popular alcoholic drinks in human history. It is made by fermenting grains like barley, wheat, or millet with water, hops, and yeast. Beer has been made for about 13,000 years. In a cave near Haifa, Israel, scientists found that people made beer even before they made bread. In Mesopotamia, the oldest recipe ever written was for beer. It was found on a Sumerian tablet from 4,000 years ago. The Sumerians even had a goddess of beer named Ninkasi. In ancient Egypt, workers who built the pyramids were paid with beer, up to 4 liters per day. In medieval Europe, Christian monks made beer. During fasting, they drank beer for calories. That's why beer was called liquid bread. Beer is made from 4 main ingredients. Water, the most important part. Its quality affects the taste. Grains, mostly malted barley, they give sugar for fermentation. Hops, for taste, smell, and freshness. Yeast, it changes sugar into alcohol and bubbles. Carbon dioxide. The steps to make beer are malting, soaking, boiling with hops, fermentation, packaging. There are 2 main types of beer. Lager, made in cool temperatures. It has a light and smooth taste. Ale, made in warmer temperatures. It has a stronger, fruity taste. In 1516, Germany made a law called Reinheitsgebot. It allowed only water, barley, and hops in beer. Oktoberfest, Germany, the biggest beer festival in the world. It happens every year in Munich. National Beer Day, USA, April 7th. When beer production became legal again in 1933. Countries like Japan, Ireland, and Iceland also have beer festivals. Strange beer flavors exist, like bacon, recycled bread, or even coffee beans eaten by animals. The strongest beer in the world is Brewmeister Armageddon, with 65% alcohol. The Czech Republic drinks the most beer, over 180 liters per person each year. There's a real fear of empty beer glasses. It's called sinosilicophobia. Drinking a small amount of beer may have health benefits like lowering the risk of heart disease or improving bone health. But drinking too much can cause weight gain, liver problems, and addiction. Beer is not just a drink. It is a big part of history, culture, religion, economy, and science. From ancient Sumerian tablets to today's big festivals, beer shows how one drink can be a companion to humans for thousands of years, always changing and always important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.